Hi, my name is Greg Turetzky. I work at Intel Corporation and I'm part of the Wireless Connectivity Solutions group. I want to just give you a quick overview today of a new indoor positioning technology that's coming your way to give you the same kind of GPS-like experience that you get outdoors that you could get indoors on a Wi-Fi network. So what we would like to be able to do is to make the next step after something like RSSI or other methodologies and actually triangulate off Wi-Fi. In order to do that, there's been a new standard that's been adopted under the 802.11 MC moniker in the alphabet soup of .11, and it's called FTM, which stands for Fine Time Measurement. And if you think about it, it's really not all that complicated to do, but it takes a lot of coordination in order to get it done, which is why it's been standardized. So if you have a sending station, like a phone, that wants to locate itself, at some particular time, it'll mark out a time and send a message to a receiving station. This would normally be like an access point. And this would normally be a phone. And what the access point is going to do is it's going to mark the time that it receives that time, and then it receives that message, and then at another time it's going to send it back so that the receiving station knows when it got it at T4. So this piece is the processing delay, and this is the key to getting rid of the problem. Because the result now is all that's left is if you know these 4 times, you can compute the actual range or the round trip time between you and your station. If you take that round trip time and divide by 2, you get the distance. So the result now is if we have a database that has the position of the APs, and we bring in 4 measurements of FTM, then we can do a triangulation just like you would do in GPS. So we think of the APs as satellites. We bring all the measurements into a single point, and then on the phone we can compute the position of the phone accurate to about 3 meters, about 95% of the time is our end target goal. So this is going to give you the ability, as this capability rolls out in phones and in access points, to get indoor accuracy that will allow you to do the kind of indoor navigation that you've been used to doing outdoor navigation.